In today's video, I'm going to show you how to separate game audio and program audio in OBS Studio 28 so you can control each app individually. This is perfect if you want to adjust your game volume without affecting Discord, Spotify, Chrome, or any other application. It also helps you avoid messy audio mixes and gives you much more control during recording or streaming. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS tips and streaming guides. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open OBS Studio 28. This version introduced a powerful feature called Application Audio Capture, which allows you to capture audio from specific programs instead of grabbing everything through desktop audio. Inside OBS, look at the Sources dock at the bottom of the screen. Click the plus icon to add a new source. From the list, select Application Audio Capture, and you'll notice it's labeled as Beta. Don't worry, it works very well for most setups. After clicking it, OBS will ask you to create or select a source. Choose Create New. And now you'll want to name it clearly. This is very important if you plan to add multiple applications. For example, if you're capturing your game, name it Game Audio. If you're capturing Spotify, name it Spotify. If it's Discord, call it Discord Audio. Keeping your sources organized will make your audio mixer much easier to manage later. Once you've named it, click OK. Now you'll see the Properties window. Here's where the magic happens. In the Window drop-down menu, select the specific application you want to capture audio from. For example, if your game is running, you'll see it listed here. Click on the correct application, then press OK. Immediately, you should see a new audio meter moving in your OBS audio mixer when that application produces sound. This confirms that OBS is capturing audio from that specific program only. Now, if you want to separate more applications, you simply repeat the same process. Go back to the Sources dock, click the plus icon again, choose Application Audio Capture, create a new source, give it a clear name like Discord Audio or Chrome Audio, select the correct window from the dropdown, and click OK. Do this for every application you want to control individually. Once you've added all your application audio sources, you'll see each one appear separately in the audio mixer. This means you can now adjust volume levels independently. You can mute Discord while keeping your game loud, lower Spotify during intense gameplay, or apply filters like compression and noise suppression to specific apps. Now there's one very important step that many people forget, and if you skip it, you'll end up with double audio or echo. Go to Settings in the bottom right corner of OBS, then navigate to the Audio tab. Under Global Audio Devices, find Desktop Audio. By default, this is usually set to your main audio device. Click the drop-down and set Desktop Audio to Disabled. This step prevents OBS from capturing all system audio globally, which would duplicate the sound you're already capturing through Application Audio Capture. Once you disable it, click Apply and then OK. Now your audio is fully separated. Each application runs through its own dedicated source, giving you clean, professional-level control inside OBS Studio 28. This setup is especially useful for streamers who want better live mixing, YouTubers who need cleaner recordings, and anyone who wants more flexibility in post-production. You can even send specific audio tracks to different recording channels if you enable advanced audio properties. And that's it. You now know how to separate game and program audio in OBS Studio 28, using Application Audio Capture and how to prevent double audio issues by disabling desktop audio. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more OBS Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.